Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your Mac ready. Make sure Mac OS supports widgets, Big Sur or later, because widgets won't run otherwise. You install the Bible app that includes a widget or prepare a web shortcut you'll convert into a widget. This is the only reliable path. Once installed, give the app widget and notification permissions in system settings so it can refresh verses. You do this now to avoid delays later. Proper permissions let the widget update automatically and display daily verses. You then add the widget, open Notification Center, select Edit Widgets, and find the Bible app widget. This is where you place it on the right side of your screen. Once added, pick a size. Small for a single verse, medium or large for multiple verses or a reading plan, because size determines what content shows. Next, tap Widget Settings to select Translation, Reading Plan, and Refresh Interval. These controls decide how often content updates and which verse sequence appears, so adjust them to your daily rhythm. Finish by placing the widget where you want it. Pin it to Today View or add it to the desktop for constant visibility so verses are always accessible. If it fails to refresh, first toggle widget and background refresh permissions, sign out and back into the Bible app, and then reinstall if needed. These steps clear cache and reauthorize updates. Make sure your Mac has internet access and the correct time zone, because sync and scheduled refreshes depend on connectivity and accurate system time. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.